Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming the Google account that holds your backed up photos. This is crucial because restores pull from that account. Once signed in, open Google Photos on the device or visit Photos. Google. Com on a desktop, the interface is the same for restore actions. Make sure your device is online and that backup and sync is enabled so Google recognizes available items. Now go to Library or the menu to find Trash, Archive, and Device folders to begin locating the images you need. Once done locating folders, start with Trash because deleted photos remain for 60 days. Restoring from trash is immediate. Make sure to also check Archive and Device folders and use search with dates, places, or object keywords to narrow results. Select items by long press on mobile or shift-click on desktop to pick many at once. After selection, choose Restore. This returns photos to the library and original albums. If you need originals, verify they were backed up in original quality before proceeding. Finish by tapping Restore. Google moves items back to your library and into any albums they belong to, and on mobile it can also place them back on device storage. After restoring, verify thumbnails and open a few files to confirm full resolution retrieval. If photos don't appear, make sure you're in the same Google account, check backup and sync settings, and confirm deleted items weren't older than 60 days in trash. If problems persist, sign out and sign back in, then retry Restore.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.